Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel if you are new here, and welcome back to another Amazon finds and favorites. I haven't said those words in over a month, which is so unlike me, and I'm so sorry. I've been pregnant and also just shopping elsewhere, but I have been accumulating a few things from Amazon, so I'm super excited to get into it. I have a little bit of everything, and I am prepping for my holiday gift guides that will come probably at the end of October, early November, so I'm so excited for that. So stay tuned and subscribe for more. Follow me on Instagram and TikTok if you haven't already, and you can always check out my Amazon shop for updated lists like gift ideas, home decor, holiday decor, and even more. Let's get into it. I recently organized all my jewelry in my jewelry box and my jewelry mirror, and I've been really stopping myself from ordering more, but I saw this ring, it was on sale, and I just had to grab it. It's just so cool. I love the texture of it. Ignore my self-tan hands. I just think it looks so fun. So I got this one in a size 7. It fits my middle finger and my pointer finger. Probably won't fit me for long because I'm already swelling up. You guys, I swear for the entire summer influencers have been like, Uggs are back, pre-order them now. I'm just like, why? Number one, you can get them on Amazon. I know they look rough, but honestly I don't take care of them that much. I've put them through the ringer, but this is what they look like when I first got them. I have both the platform one that I'm unintentionally wearing right now. So cute. They were probably like 40 bucks or less, and then these that, you know, I think I got them for like less than 60 bucks, and they came in like 3 weeks last year. So do not fall for the hype. Trust me, if you want them, there's other ways to get them. So I got this bag that I've been seeing all over TikTok. Y'all, they have it on Temu and they have it on Amazon for like $9. It's identical in size and quality. The other one is way more money. So they have this like neutral creamy color, they have a black one, pink, like royal blue, greens. They have so many. It's like the perfect tote bag for working out. I use it as my mom bag. I have so much crap in here. I literally used it today. It has a pocket inside. It has a zipper, which I find extremely convenient, and the strap is long. I love this bag, and you know how many bags I have, so I should tell you something. I got some new sunglasses. I got these that are kind of my go-to style, but like less round, I guess. I thought these were really cool. I love Amazon sunglasses. I swear by them. And then the other one looks like this. I don't know if this is really my style, but I thought these gave designer vibe for way less. My camera's really not helping. I think I look cool, like IG chic. So I'm prepping for the nursery. My nesting is constant. I wouldn't even blame it on being pregnant. I just love organizing and turning my house inside out. So I got these shelf organizers for, I think, Olivia's closet or baby boy's closet. I think organizing Olivia's little sets in these would be great to just use them as dividers, and that way things don't move around or fall out. And I have a whole tab on my Amazon shop for organization favorites. I've been doing my lashes at home since I think March of this year, and I haven't looked back. I haven't been spending $100+ every month on lash refills, and I feel like they look pretty good. I have been trying out new products recently. If you haven't watched my DIY lash extensions tutorial, definitely do so. But my best friend has been using this brand. It's called Flutter Habit, and I feel like these really look like extensions. They're just fuller, they're more like voluminous than the ones that I usually put on. And then the glue that I use is this one. So one side is like the black glue, and then this one you can put over it. It's clear, just to really seal it in there. I've been really liking them so far. I find them a little trickier to put on than my Amazon ones, but they look much better. Like I said earlier, I'm shopping for gift guide recommendations, and I found this. I thought my husband and his friends would love this. It's an acrylic shot dispenser and holder. You can actually transport it like this. It's not glass, even though it looks like it. And then you pour the liquid. It has these little stoppers, and it dispenses them into the shot glasses, which I think it's just so cool. This would be a good white elephant gift. The other ones aren't open, so it's not dispensing them evenly. Anyway, I thought this was cool, super inexpensive, and it's really fun for parties, the holidays, gift for men, or like I said, white elephant, college friends, anything like that. Okay, so before this little contraption, I just had my headphones like on my desk, and I hated how messy that looked. So I got this for like $9 off Amazon. It does come in different colors and it comes with the adhesive. And then I got these headphones. Does it drive me slightly crazy that they're different pinks? Sure, but has the headset and the microphone built in, and it works so well. I will say, if you have big ears or a big head, this might not be for you. I find them to be like a tad small, but I love them. This is one of my favorite brands of Amazon. It's called Rioria. They make my favorite bodysuit, and they came out with these Skims dupes. This is like a long maxi dress. They have so many different styles. They have a halter neck one, they have a short version. I couldn't resist this lilac color. It's so stretchy and comfy. I got a size small, and it's, like I said, super stretchy, so it would grow with my bum. But even if I wanted to wear it postpartum later on, I could throw like a shirt over it or like a jacket. I think this is so cute. The straps are adjustable and the material is ribbed in such high quality. For the past month, I was doing dip powder nails at home, so I got this dip kit. It was $15 and there's always coupons. I thought these colors were perfect for the fall and winter. They are quite messy, so you get like a really nice like darkish purple, nude, a mauve, and then like a gold glitter. Plus you can pour the dip into this container to dip it easily. I went to a nail salon because my nails were really uneven, so I couldn't keep doing dip powder nails. So I didn't know you could buy D&D on Amazon, and they come in this really nice set, a gel polish and then a regular polish, and this is the color Spice Berry. So it's like the perfect darkish purple with not such a cool undertone. I don't want them to look like Halloween nails either. Both of these for $9, which is such a steal. Like, they come in this set for $9. I can use them on my toes, and then I can just bring this into a nail salon and they can put it over top. So just want to recommend. They have all the D&D colors there. I think I need to make another de-influencing video with overhyped TikTok items. There's been this recent trend on TikTok where people share Free People for less, which is really convenient considering Free People is usually pretty expensive, and Amazon has some alternatives that are most of the time half the price. However, this set was one of the most disappointing things I've purchased from Amazon in recent memory. This is what it's supposed to look like. This is what I got. This isn't even the same color, like a very, very light pink. This is a mauve, but besides the color, the fit, y'all, it's all kinds of wrong. I tried on the Free People one in store and it just doesn't feel so cheaply made. I think you're better off just skipping this. It's the most unflattering thing I've ever put on my body, and granted, I am pregnant, so take that with a grain of salt. But I feel like even if I wasn't, the fit of this is so off. I'm 4'11", and this is just so weirdly short. And if you have like bigger boobs than a size B, like a B cup, this is not gonna fit you. Also, I wanted to warn y'all about this because in my pregnancy reveal video and pictures, I was wearing the Free People maxi dress. I think it's called Dahlia. I was wearing the Amazon version, $40, and it was embroidered, beautiful. I still have it. It's somewhere in my closet. I went to order the blue version after I found out it was a boy. This unfortunately is not the same. I wanted to save a little money. I was like, oh, this one is $10 cheaper for a reason. This one doesn't fit as well and it is not embroidered, so I would spend like the $10 more. I'm sorry about Olivia, and I would get the better quality version. This is a great Free People alternative though. I've been living in these thanks to being pregnant. The Free People onesies, I have 2 of the real versions and like 5 of the alternatives from Amazon, and honestly y'all, to me they feel and look identical. The price difference is so crazy. The Free People ones are $70 and these are like $20 to $30. I have the light gray, I have this really pretty pink one, a red one, so many. I even have the shorts version. So if you want like a really good Free People alternative, go for those. And a super random like food drink item that I haven't mentioned to y'all, I am obsessed with these flavor matchas by Chamberlain Coffee, especially when mixed with lemonade. It makes them taste so good. I feel like the vanilla matcha would be really good with like oat milk to make like a nice latte. I haven't really been craving a lot of milk during this pregnancy, so I've been mixing them with lemonade. The vanilla flavoring is really good and not too overpowering. And then the mango with the lemonade tastes incredible. So if you're a fan of matcha, if you like mango or vanilla, I highly recommend. Oh, my husband is so cute. I asked him to lay this out so I can show y'all, and he opened all of them. Y'all can see them better. This is just like a little barn toy. I saw it recommended by a few moms on TikTok. Everyone said like, my toddler is obsessed. They spend hours, they play with it every day. Say less. I bought it. And y'all, I swear to God, Olivia doesn't love a single more toy than this one. So much so that we had to hide it so she would play with her other toys. It has numbers, so it's great for learning how to count. She counts the circles up here too. She memorizes where each animal goes. It's great for animal recognition as well. And it helps with fine motor skills because she has to learn how to open them and close them correctly. She loves this thing. It's maybe $12. There's always coupons on it. If you're going to a birthday party soon or you have a toddler, I highly recommend this as a gift. So Olivia really likes watching a channel called, I think it's Paisley's Corner. It's Silly Miss Lily. And she had this toy and I thought it would be good for Olivia because she has kind of trouble using her fingers sometimes. So I thought this pinching situation would be good for her to work on her fine motor skills. I've talked about this before, but basically she has like issues using her hands because we put on mittens on her for like the first 2 months of her life. I feel pretty guilty about it. I don't want to talk about it. She slowly but surely like started to move around her hands and she can do a lot of things, but she sometimes has trouble with pinching her fingers together, so I thought this would help her work on it. It was very inexpensive. I will say these are pretty tiny, so they might pose a choking risk for certain children, so we always watch her when she's playing with these. So guys, that's everything for today's video. If you enjoyed it, you missed the Amazon videos and you want to see more, definitely give this video a big thumbs up. Let me know what you're shopping for right now, what you want to see me review on my channel. And that's everything for today's video. Thank you guys so much for watching. I love you. I'll talk to you guys very soon in my next one.